This is Aiden from Aiden's Elixir channel, and today we have another Nerf gun. This wasn't packaged because I got this from my cousin. I have another one to show you at my dad's house, but here we go. This is the Raider CS35. So this is like the Rampage, if any of you guys heard of it. It's got a blue design, gray handles, how you load it and shoot it. And there's also jam access right here, and an attachable stock. And there's a 35 dart drum barrel. So it's like this. And if you want to go rapid fire, just hold this down. Just keep spamming. And there's also an adjustable stock. So if you want to get this full, you go like this. If you want it to be full stock. But you can adjust the size. So 1, 2, and 3. And you attach the stock here. And this is a pretty cool gun. And there's 2 tactical rails. There's 2 tactical rails. And I'm sorry for the people speaking in the background. But there's this orange button right here. If you hold it down, then you can release the drum. So this is a pretty cool gun. And yeah, that's pretty much for the Raider. And I will see you guys next time in the next Nerf gun video that I got from my cousin. So see you guys there.